Hello, welcome to my pet channel.
Hello friends, let's learn animal facts. Parrots, also known as true parrots, comprise about 330 species of birds from the family Psittacidae, one of two traditional families in the biological order Psittaciformes parrots. Another family is the Cacacidae. The order Psittaciformes parrots consists of two parrot families, cockatoos and true parrots. Parrots eat a variety of fruits, seeds, nectar, tree shoots, and flowers. Seahorses are a species of fish belonging to the family Syngnathidae and the genus Hippocampus. In both tropical and temperate waters, animals ranging in size from 16 millimeters to 35 centimeters can be found. The only animal in which males can become pregnant is the seahorse. Every day, seahorses consume more than 3,000 shrimp brains. The overfishing of seahorses is a threat to their populations. The pre-adult larval stage of an amphibian's life cycle is known as a tadpole. Tadpoles have gills, like fish, and only breathe in water. Tadpoles typically eat algae and other plant materials as herbivores. Omnivores are certain species eating everything. Frog and toad tadpoles are typically globular in shape and have a laterally compressed tail that they use to swim by lateral undulation. Hyenas are fairly developed carnivores, animals from the Hyenidae family, with only 4 species still living: hyena, parahyena, crocuta, and tellus. The rabbit, also known as bunnies or rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae, which also contains the hares of the order Lagomorpha, which also contains the picas. Flamingos or flamingos, flame of slash, are a type of wading bird in the family Phenopteraceae, which is the only extant family in the order Phenacopterium. The llama is a domesticated South American camelot, widely used as a meat and pack animal by Indian cultures since the pre-Columbian era. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits, known as humps on its back. Local donkey. It is an ungulate of the equine family, same family as horses. It comes from the African wild donkey. A carnivorous mammal, the wolf or gray wolf, is known by the scientific name Canis lupus. The wolf and the foreign dog of the Canis lupus family have a shared evolutionary history. Wolves typically range in height from 60 to 80 centimeters and weigh between 23 and 59 kilograms. The buffalo, sometimes known as the water buffalo, is a ruminant mammal that is raised as livestock by many nations across the world, particularly in Asia. This creature is a domesticated wild buffalo. Buffalo weigh anything from 300 kilograms to 600 kg. The buffalo stands 1.7 meters tall on average. The domesticated horse is unipedal animal with 1 foot. It's a member of the Equidae taxonomic family, is one of the 2 remaining subspecies of the Aquaspherius. Horses have developed from a little organism throughout the last 45 to 55 million years. Multi-toed animal. Octopus is a soft-bodied animal, octopoda mollusk with 8 limbs. The order has over 300 species. It is classified alongside squids in the class Cephalopoda. The canine or house dog is a wolf that has been domesticated. The dog is descended from an extinct old wolf that was domesticated from wolves 15,000 years ago. The mammal kangaroos have pouches marsupials. This animal is a typical one from Australia. The Aboriginal language kangaroo is where the word kangaroo originates. Kangaroos come in 3 different species: wallaby, tree kangaroo, and a melon. Spiders are a particular species of animal that have 4 pairs of legs, 2 body segments, no wings, and no chewing mouths. All spider species are grouped into the order Araneae, which also includes scorpions. Spiders are carnivorous predators, occasionally even cannibals. Only 200 of the tens of thousands of species that exist can hurt humans with their bites. Peacocks are 3 species of birds in the genera Pavo and Afropavo of the pheasant family, Phasianidae. The male bird has a beautiful tail feather that can be developed to attract the attention of the female peacock. The 3 species are Indian peacock, green peacock, Merope Congo. Rats belong to the order Rodentia rodent family. Rats can be found practically everywhere in the world. Rats lack premolars and canines. The Northern Hemisphere's Arctic Ocean and subarctic seas are home to the marine mammal known as the walrus, the only species in the genus Odobenus and family Odobenidae is the walrus. The 3 subspecies of this species are the Atlantic walrus, Pacific walrus, and O. Rosmarus laptevi. Because they have tusks, walruses are simple to identify. All ants are insects that are part of the Hymenoptera order's Formicidae family. More than 12,500 different species of ants exist, the majority of which are tropical. The majority of ants are referred to as social insects, and their typical colonies and nests contain tens of thousands of ants each. Even though they have a little body, ants are among the world's strongest creatures. Male ants can support loads that are 50 times heavier than their own body weight. Almost the whole surface of the earth has been ruled by ants. Only in few locations, such as Iceland, Greenland, and Hawaii, do they not have influence over the region. The term scorpions refers to a group of 8-legged organisms, octopods in the order Scorpiones of the class Arachnida. Scorpions are still connected to ticks, mites, spiders, and Kettingan. About 2,000 different species of scorpions exist, with the exception of New Zealand and Antarctica. They are primarily found south of 49N.